So guys, welcome to another vlog, and the vlog that I want to create is really 5 reasons why you should open a high-yield savings account or yung mga tinatawag nilang mga digital banks. And some FAQs, baka may mga katanungan kayo, tiyak na masasagot natin sa video na to. It's really for those na matitipid plus yung matatalino because you want your money to grow. Now more than ever, ang dali na lang magbukas, and I want this video to serve as maybe a sign for you na baka nagbabalak ka, and then baka ito yung video mag-ujak sa'yo na, sige, let's do it. So without further ado, before anything else that I wanna say is, if hindi pa po kayo nagsusubscribe sa channel ko, baka naman po pwede kayo mag-subscribe. A lot of you have been viewing my videos as well, and pag-click ng subscribe would really mean a lot and would also help my channel grow rin. So without further ado, yun mo yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, pero in advance, maraming salamat sa papanunood. Una natin titignan natin, di ba, is why is there a rise of like digital banks out there? Ano ba yung difference niya with a traditional bank? So your digital bank, if you're going to look at it, mas wala silang physical branches. Di ba? A lot of your banks, usually, nakita mo, is meron siya mga physical branch. Di ba? Yung nakita natin mga branch where pupunta tayo, doon tayo nagta-transact, may mga tellers sila, tapos change ko yun yung hawin ng hoko. And then, yun yung parang ito nakikita rin malaki. While the digital banks, usually, wala silang branches. They work, let's say, in their offices, and then everything that you would do is digital. So, via, let's say, your mobile phone, lahat ng gagawin mo, dapat sa phone mo, pag-contact sa kanila, via hotline lang, or if ever, mga email. So, everything is digital. Now, syempre, your traditional banks, institusyon sila, mas matagal na sila sa mundo, mas malaki yung mga cost nila, di ba? May mga staff sila na kailangan, ang dami nilang mga offices, mga branches na kailangan ng upkeep. So, syempre, mas mahal yung operating expense nila. While your digital banks, dahil nga digital sila, mas maliliit yung mga cost nila, wala silang mga branches na kailangan i-upkeep. Kaya paminsan, or usually, mas mataas yung mga binibigay nilang interest sa tao because of the fact na mas konti yung gastos nila compared to your traditional bank. Now, this is in no mean, or this video is in no mean to say na, oy, wag kayo mag-traditional bank. No. You have the perks of your traditional banks. You also have perks of your digital bank. Diba? It's good to have both. I'm not saying that one is super better than the other. It just depends on where you want to put your money and ano ba yung goal mo para sa personal finance mo or para sa personal money mo. So, yun. Let's get it out of the way. And of course, this one, let's give you the 5 reasons why you should open and bakit if napapanood nyo to, sign nyo na ito magbukas. And then later, let's answer some of the FAQs na paminsan nakukuha ako sa mga comments. Baka katanungan nyo rin, and then baka makatulong rin or magbibigay sa'yo ng lakas sa loob to say na, okay, baka nga I can try opening a digital. Okay, kaya tumitingin sa mga guys is I have my kodigo or usually my flow para at least guided tayo. Number 1 is my favorite. Mataas talagang interest na binibigay ng mga digital bank. So, dati, or kadalasan, di ba, with your traditional banks, the interest that they give is 0.0625%, which is very, very low. Yung mga digital banks, naglalaro yan in average of 3 to 4%. Di ba? From 0.0625 to 4%, guys, ang laki ng difference na yan. Di ba? It's like 800, 700 times bigger than whatever the traditional banks is giving, di ba? Then you also have digital banks out there that can give 7%, 8%, 9%, 10%. Then dati nga, di ba, nung simula sila, 15% ang tataas. But syempre, those were promo rates and then bumababa. I don't wanna say one specific interest rate for this video para at least katagalan nitong video na to or kahit kailan mo siya mapapanood, alam mong nag-change talaga yung interest rate. But so far, di ba, naglalaro sila average 3 to 4%, which is very, very high pa rin. Diba? It's so much higher compared to your other traditional banks. Now, what do we see here? I have some list of, like, say, digital banks here na pwede natin makita as well. So, for example, diba, you have, let's say, SeaBank, which gives currently, it's at 2025 tayo, October, when I'm shooting this. Nasa 3%, 3 to 4% siya, depending on how much you put. CIMB Bank, diba? CIMB Bank, you can find that also on your GCash account or pwede kayo magbukas via your GCash app lang. Siya naman nagbibigay ng 7%, diba? As high as 7% kasi may promo period sila now. But again, guys, it might change. So please do note that as well. And then you have MariBank, which gives promo of up to 6% depending on saan ka maglalagay, diba? Paminsan, you have your time deposits, pwede ka doon. Tonic also gives high, diba? Sometimes meron rin siya mga time deposits. You also have GoTime, diba? Si GoTime, naglalaro na sa 3%. Then depending on if you want to put it in your time deposit, it can go high as well. Then you also have Salmon Bank. Diba si Salmon Bank, yun yung nakikita natin na time deposit, mataas talaga siya at 8.88% din. So guys, this is as of shooting this video. The rate might go up, might go down as well. So it really depends, di ba? Yun yung una kong gusto sabihin na first reason is really mataas ang interest rate na binibigay nila. And when it comes to interest rate na matataas, for me, di ba, go with a bank that is high or that gives high interest rate because of the fact na kung mataas nga interest rate na binibigay nila, di ba, kita mo talaga yan. Now, what I want to also let you or put into consideration din. Kasi usually, di ba, tinatanong sa akin, ano yung kamaganda dyan na digital bank? So that's the first one, di ba? So guys, it's really the high interest. For example, let's put an example. If naglagay ka ng 10,000 pesos, with 4% interest rate per year or per annum na yan, you earn 400 pesos. Walang ginagawa yung pera mo, nandiyan lang siya sa account na yan, 400 pesos yan. But if you put the 10,000, that same 10,000 pesos in a traditional bank, it earns 0.0625%. You only earn 6.25% or 6.25 pesos per year. Look at the difference, di ba? Let's say net of taxes na, yung 400 mo sa digital bank, net of 20% tax because may withholding tax siya, 320 pesos sa earning mo. Yung 6.25 pesos mo, net of tax, is only 5 pesos. So 5 pesos compared to 320 pesos. Guys, 315 pesos ang difference niya if linagay mo lang siya sa digital bank compared to you putting it in a traditional bank. Ang laki ng difference. Diba? Ganun siya kalaki talaga. And that's one thing, and that's first to note na the first reason is really mataas ang interest rate niya. So second reason is, guys, do you know that even your digital banks, it also PDIC insured, which is the Depository Insurance Commission. Diba? Insured po ang pera natin of up to 1 million pesos na now. In 2025, March 2025, pinilitan ng PDIC na ang pera natin, basta nasa bank siya or nasa PDIC insured bank siya, may lisensya sa BSP at saka PDIC insured siya, of up to 1 million pesos. So guys, even if let's say nagsaraban yung bangko niyan, we're insured of 1 million peso per depositor for that bank. So, let's just say, di ba, digital banks natin, basta may lisensya siya and PDIC insured siya, guys, you can see that that's an added layer of security na safe siya. So yes, all BSP licensed, yung mga digital banks like GoTime, Uno Bank, let's say, Discartec, di ba, Maya, they are all PDIC insured. Yung SeaBank or yung MariBank right now, they are rural banks. So yes, PDIC insured rin po siya. CIMB, it's also PDIC insured. Kung sakali magsara siya, yes, mababalik yung pera mo of up to 1 million pesos. So, syempre guys, diba, if sobrang sigurista ka, gusto mo ba na tigo 1 million pesos ang per bank account mo, you can do it, diba? Chop mo siya and then ganun mo gawin per bank account. So, diba, that's reason number 2 na, okay, added layer of safety and security na, oh nga no, it is PDIC insured of up to 1 million pesos then. You have reason number 3. Reason number 3 is easy account opening. With digital banks now, hindi mo na kailangan pumila. Ang kailangan mo lang, one valid ID, internet, and then your phone number or your mobile phone. So, kailangan meron kang mobile phone kasi nga, and mobile phone and of course, email na rin, sabihin natin. Doon lang kailangan mo din, pwede ka nang magbukas. Now, make sure that your ID is a valid government ID so that may picture and dapat original copy siya. Everything that you can do, pwede mo siyang gawin via your phone, di ba? For example, magbubukas ka ng account. Let's just say, sabihin mo, ay, gusto ko magbukas ng SeaBank na account or MariBank na account. Pwede mo po siyang gawin. And lahat po yan, gagawin mo lang via your mobile phone. So, isipin mo, di ba? Less than 5 minutes. Sabihin na lang natin 10 minutes. Pwede ka na magbukas ng bank account. And yes, this is also perfect even for OFWs. Pero kung OFWs po kayo, I would always recommend na number 1, meron kang ID sa Pilipinas. And then number 2, dapat meron ka ring mobile number na Philippine-based mobile number. Kasi kailangan nila mag-link with Philippine mobile number, Philippine ID to know that you're a Philippine resident pa rin, di ba? Residente naman tayo ng Philippines if we're holding a passport. Diba? Or if ever, a lot of the digital banks right now, if ever, let's say you are an alien, diba? Yung parang, if hindi ka Filipino, pero resident ka dito, kahit foreigner ka, usually yung mga digital banks, pwede na rin po magbukas. You can definitely open one as well. One of the easiest way to open an account or a digital bank account is via GCash. Because sa GCash nyo, if you're going to look at this, you're going to put dito sa savings natin. Diba? You can just open an account dito sa savings mo because ang dami niyang mga partners here, diba? So here you can have Cebuana, may Maybank, CIMB, you can even open a BPI account here. And lahat po yan all done via your GCash app lang, diba? So dito lang siya, diba? Sa GCash mo and then click on GSave and then dito makita mo all the different partners that they have, diba? And what else? Pwede rin naman. SeaBank mo, MariBank na pala. Alam ko, papagalitan niyo ako lagi. Sabihin niyo, Jax, it's MariBank. Sorry, okay. Then definitely, you can open your SeaBank. I have all the promo codes there. If ever gusto niyo pong gamitin, wala pong problema. You can. You can also open via Maya. So, yung Maya niyo, pwede rin naman dito. GoTime, Uno, ang dami dyan out there that you can open. Guys, for me, if ever it's all free to open, pwede kayo mag-open. Tingnan niyo what works best for you. And then, kung saan may promo try it. And then, reason number 4. Walang maintaining balance or usually walang maintaining balance yung mga digital banks account na to. Hindi ka pipilitin na mag-deposit ng 2,000 pesos, 3,000 pesos para hindi lang mag-close yung account mo or para hindi kaltasan ng pera. So with your digital banks, walang problema. And, di ba, yung interest niya, as long as naglagay ka usually ng piso, may interest ka na nakikita. So if you're, di ba, sigurista ka na hindi mo rin sure kung gusto mo mag-open pa, why not put 100 pesos muna? 500 pesos, 1,000 pesos. Tingnan mo yung daily pagbibigay ng interest doon sa digital bank mo. SeaBank does that, Maya does that as well, na parang everyday makita mo, dagdag yung pera mo with the interest that they give you. Para makita mo, oh my gosh, nag-grow yung money mo day in, day out, na wala kang kailangang gawin. Basta, iiwan mo lang siya sa loob ng digital bank account na yan. So yes, kahit freelancer ka, student ka man, anyone starting out, why not just open? Try it out. Nilagay mo siya doon mo patulugin yung pera mo while it earns. Ba't mo siya ipapatulog somewhere sa ilalim ng kama mo na hindi kumikita ng interest? Or papatulugin mo siya sa traditional bank account na maybe yung interest mo is not that much? Why not put it in a bank account or a digital bank account or a high-yield savings account where your money can grow? Diba? Sayang din kasi talaga yon. It's like free money. Natutulog ka, free money. Wala kang ginagawa, free money. Number 5, one of the favorite reasons yun natin, some of these digital banks out there, meron siya mga smart saving features. A lot of the smart saving features is, pwede ka mag-set ng mga goals na pwede mo itabi yung pera mo. Pwede mo rin i-automate yung savings mo. So for example, si Maya, they have, let's say, these mga goals niya. Na if you put it sa goal mo, for example, gusto mo mag-plan for a trip, may gusto kong bilhin na big purchase item, or gusto mo mag-save for your retirement, set a goal. And when you set that goal, di ba, ang kagandahan dyan, imo-match pa yan ni Maya. Mag-save ka. And then afterwards, bibigyan kita mas mataas na interest. 6% interest. Basta dito mo siya ilagay. And parang naka-lock yung money mo, di ba? So para siyang time deposit, pero think of it like setting for your goal. Di ba? A lot of it also, Tonic also has it, yung para mga stashes na tiyatago mo yung pera mo. Then you also have it in GoTime. Si GoTime naman, makagandahan dyan is, kung meron ka mga butal, let's say mga inansenty mo lang, automatic na ilalagay sa savings mo. Or automatic na ilalagay sa GoSave mo. Which is nice, kasi parang yung mga butal-butal na pera mo, pamansin hindi mo siya napapansin. Meron ka 50 cents, tapos biglang mawawala na lang siya kasi ilalagay niya somewhere for you to hide it. Those are some of the features that you can definitely use, that you can definitely maximize. Si CIMB naman, you can open multiple accounts din, di ba? Paminsan gusto mo mag-open ng multiple account. Isa for your retirement, isa for your savings, isa naman for your, let's say, funds. Pwede mo siyang hiwa-hiwalayin. Or, you can open multiple digital bank or high-yield savings account and then doon mo ilagay yung mga goals mo. Para diba, lagi ko sinasabi guys, out of sight, out of mind. Let's gawin natin siya. Iba-ibang digital banks, iba-ibang high-yield savings account for different goals mo as well. Kasi nga, madali lang magbukas ng account. That's how you want to do your savings, no? And a lot of the times, the smart saving features or yung mga saving features na mga to, pwede mo rin i-automate. Every time na may certain day, automatic pagpasok ng pera, inalagay niya somewhere else. That's also a money-saving feature. Or that's really a coaching feature na para hindi mo na siya iniisip eh. Kasi pang in-automate mo na siya, it's less for you to do one more step na, ay, ito pa gagawin ko. Ay, i-transfer out ko pa. Let your digital bank accounts do it for you. Para at least, wala kang inisip, nandiyan na. Tapos pinadala nila. So, those are the 5 reasons why, you should try. Or 5 reasons why you should open one. Because sa totoo lang, sayang yung pera mo, let your money grow. Pero yung totoo lang, yung reason number 1 is the major reason why I'm telling na, huwag niyong palipasin. Go, just do it. Kasi sayang siya. Huwag niyong pabayaan yung pera niyo na hindi kumikita. Kasi sayang talaga siya. That's the 5 reasons. Now, pumunta naman tayo sa mga kadalasang tanong. And I think here are some reasons and some things that might help you as well. One of the biggest questions I usually get, and nakikita ko yun sa mga comments whenever I talk about digital banks or high-yield savings account is, number one, paano kung gusto mo i-withdraw yung pera? A lot of the times, a lot of these digital banks will give you free transfers out. If yung banko na yan is walang mga debit cards, let's say mga debit cards na tulad ng mga ganito, alam ko ang dami nito guys, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-withdraw via ATM. Sometimes kasi yung mga withdrawals na to, may charges siya or may mga fees rin siya. GoTime gives free withdrawal, so okay yan. SeaBank doesn't. SeaBank or MariBank doesn't give free. So, yun yung mga kailangan i-watch out. One of the options that you can do is, why not ipadala mo or send it to your traditional bank? Diba? Pwede sa BPI mo, BDO mo, and then via their BPI, BDO account, doon mo i-withdraw. Diba? At least, tanggal ka agad yung fees na yan. Then, some of it, you can also transfer. Why not, if you're going to pay someone, di ba magpapadala ka ng pera, just automatically transfer to their bank account via InstaPay, which is 50,000 pesos or less, and then instant makuha nila. Or PesoNet, kung mas malaki yung kailangan mong halaga, more than 50,000 pesos. Pero yun nga lang, medyo 1 day, 2 day processing po siya depending on the cut-off. So that's one tip or one way para ma-alleviate or para maiwasan mo yung mga transfer fees or mga withdrawal fees kung wala siyang mga card. MariBank or SeaBank will have their own card here. Maya does have their own card as well. So Maya, GoTime, libre. All you have to do is just go to their mga kiosks. Libre to. Love it. And then GCash definitely has their own card din. And you know, I love the GCash card din. Tonic, from what I know, meron din siya. Hindi ko lang siya dala right now. So those are some of the cards that you can, or mga ATM or debit cards that you have or options that you can get. Number 2, ang question naman dito is, may fees ba siya? Almost of your high-yield savings account, wala po siya mga fees, walang maintaining balance siya. Basta maglagay ka lang ng pera. Kaya nga, ang ganda, di ba? Now, what I love about it as well is, I don't consider GCash, let's say, a digital bank, di ba? High-yield savings account. You just have to put it sa mga CIMB or mga partner banks niya. But when you use it abroad, ang ganda yung mga card niya, ang ganda ng fees na nakuha mo dito. Walang foreign exchange fees as well. Text that I love as well will be your MariBank or your SeaBank card, because nga si SeaBank, wala nang withdrawal fees international like the GCash card, and then may cashback pa siya when you're using the card, di ba? 1% locally and 3% internationally as of the time of shooting, di ba? So, to be honest, when you're traveling, ito talaga yung dalawang best friends ko, and alam niyong lagi ko pinag-uusapan talaga ito yung dalawa. Number 3, safe ba ang digital banks? Okay, when it comes to safety and security, ito lang naman gusto ko sabihin, everything naman may risk pa rin siya. But as long as the digital bank is BSP, may lisensya siya, regulated by the BSP, that's one level of security. Then, PDIC insured pa siya of up to 1 million peso per depositor. That's another layer of security as well. But syempre, you also have to make sure that number 1, keep your account safe. Diba? Huwag kayong mag-click ng links, huwag nyo ibibigay yung mga password nyo sa ibang tao, huwag nyo ipapagamit yung mga bank accounts sa ibang tao as well. Make sure that your devices is also secure. Diba? Baka naman yung mga devices nyo, kahit saan kayo nagda-download ang app, hindi pwede. Diba? Keep it safe as well. So, it's our responsibility as account holders to keep our account safe, while it's also the responsibility of our banks to have the systems in place. But, syempre, kailangan natin alamin na, oo, dapat tayo rin, we have the responsibility to keep our account safe din. Diba? Hindi pwedeng, kahit ang pabaya na naman tayo. Question number 4, pwede ba to sa OFWs? Yes, pwede po siya sa OFWs, wala pong problema. Dapat may Philippine number ka, valid government ID in the Philippines, and then dapat resident ka of the Philippines as well, and syempre make sure that you have INIS. And even abroad ka, pwede mong buksan yung account, pwede mong gamitin yung account, wala pong problema. Pwede ka ba mag-remit ng pera dyan? Pwede ka rin mag-remit. Even if you're a VA, pwede mo rin gamitin this to receive money. Wala pong problema. Question number 5. Pwede ko pa ito gamitin sa my visa application? Yes. Ginamit ko siya for my Japan visa, at saka China visa. Pwede. Now, I don't need to go to the banks kasi dina-download ko lang siya via the app, di ba? So, dito ko lang siya dina-download, then boom, nandiyan na kaagad lahat ng mga statement of accounts ko or even yung mga bank statements ko. So, it's as easy as just a few buttons, di ba? So, for example, I'm using MariBank as an example. And so, here makita niyo sa bank account ko, makita niyo dito e-statements and as well as bank certificates lang. So, it's all here, di ba? So, sobrang dali, wala pong problema. You can just download it, you can just request it, yung mga statements documents mo, yung bank certificate mo, you can just request here. And then dito, mga purpose, di ba? You can have a purpose here of visa, business loan, type of account, kung saan mo siya gusto with the ADB as well. So, pwede po siya. So, wala pong problema yan as well. Okay, my perfect question, I save it for the last. Jax, ano ba yung best? The same way with credit cards, I would always say it depends on you and depends on your lifestyle. Personally, I always recommend na why not try it all? I like using a digital bank or high-yield savings account that is also madaling gamitin in terms of user interface. Gusto ko yung mga features. It speaks to me because nagagamit ko siya or lagi ko siyang napapadala or nabubuksan and nagiging main account ko siya for a lot of different purposes as well. Without me being biased siya naman, ito yung gusto ko lang sabihin. I have, let's say, my GoTime CIMB, nagsastash ako ng pera dyan because hindi ko siya masyadong binubuksan kadalasan. And even the Maya. But I have it, nakastash siya dyan, matataas yung mga interest na binibigay nila dyan, I'm okay with it. But in terms of, let's say, using as my daily driver, to be honest, a lot of the times, I even like using MariBank or yung SeaBank. It's because, for me, importante sa akin, yung weekly, meron ako 20 transfers. Yung 20 transfers na yan kasi, madali for me to use it because I have business expenses that I need to use. Kailangan ko lang siya lagi padalhan, di ba? And madali yung interface niya. Alam ko kung saan pipindutin, mapapadala ko. And may mga rebates siya when I use the card or even when I scan QR payments as well. And then mataas rin yung interest na binibigay niya sa akin when I put my money in it. So parang mas, yun yung nagtututa ko. Okay, pag bukas ko, dire-diretso na ako padala. Send. Pag internationally, I keep on testing, diba? Whenever we go to trips. So test out ko rin tong dalawa. And I always recommend that you have one Visa and one MasterCard. Kaya for me, that's how I use my bank accounts. Then the rest, let's say, hinahide ko yung pera ko sa goals ng Maya kasi mataas ang interest. Meron ako time deposit, let's say, sa Uno, sa Union Digital. Meron rin ako time deposit naman doon sa CIME or I put money rin sa CILE. So it's really different and different rules. My recommendation, try it out. Tingnan mo kung what works for you and then kung saan mo gusto and then doon mo kadalasan nilagay yung money mo as well. The more comfortable you are, the more you think that this is for you. For me, dun mo ilagay. Then kung mataas yung interest, dun mo itago yung pera para mag-grow lang siya. But you also have a different high-yield savings account for your daily driver. One last that I want to remind you, I still have my traditional bank accounts. It's for different purposes as well. Yung traditional bank accounts mo kasi, di ba, you build the relationship to get credit cards. These digital banks, usually wala pa silang mga credit cards aside from Maya. So you do need to also have that relationship. And for me, I value that relationship with my traditional banks. So hindi ko sinasabi na huwag ka magkaroon, but it's really more of like, depending on your goal. You want it to grow, you want maliit yung, di ba, kahit konti yung pera mo, mataas yung interest na binibigay ng digital banks, high-yield savings account, versus your traditional banks. So baka you can start off with your digital banks. As you progress in life, di ba, mas marami ka ng savings, then the traditional banks can be there to help you grow your money more. And the more you have, syempre, the more they can give you rin. I know that this video is quite long. Medyo mahaba-haba na siya. Pero I do hope na naging comprehensive rin yung video to with the samples that I was able to give you rin. And definitely, down below, you have links as well. If ever yung mga referral links ko, you can get, let's say, bonus rewards, especially for MariBank and Maya, if ever you want to use it. Diba? And definitely, if you use it, I also get a little bonus reward din from there. So if ever you want to use it, by all means, you're very much welcome and maraming salamat in advance. But for me, if ever you really want to help your money grow, you want to be secure, diba? For your future, financially secure ka, put it in a high-yield savings account. And that's the reason why I created this video. Because I want at least kahit sino pwedeng magbukas. Hindi siya nakakatakot. Kayang-kaya mo siyang gawin. All you have to do is those three things. Have a valid government ID. Make sure that you have a Philippine number and email address ka rin. And then just at least 5 to 10 minutes of your time para magbukas ka. Guys, this is one stepping stone para mag-level up ng ipon mo. Diba? Open a high-yield savings account. Get a digital bank. Libre, madali. Lahat tayo nasa cellphone natin. If napanood mo tong video na to, kung ginawa mo pagbubukas ng video, pag-account na yan kanina pa lang, from the start of this video for up until the end of the video, feeling ko nakabukas ka na ng 3 or 4. So sinasabi ko, that's your sign to open. If kaya mo panoorin at tapusin to, I'm definitely sure kaya mo rin magbukas. And you should open one. Try it out. But syempre, let me know, comment down below, ano ba yung digital bank or high-yield savings account na gusto mo? And if ever may mga katanungan pa kayo, comment it down below. Baka masagot rin natin siya. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that bell notification button so you get notified every time I have new videos like this. And of course, maraming salamat in advance. Guys, please, if you found this video helpful, share it to your friends and families. Baka sila makapagbukas. Or if not, better yet, nagbukas ka muna, nakita mo, tumubo ang pera mo, nag-increase ang pera mo, nagkaroon siya ng mataas na interest, share to your family and friends, you'll be the change in their life para magbukas rin sila. And of course, it is really towards a more financially secure country and more financially secure Filipinos as well. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye guys!